What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Boss, and the title of the video is JCPenney shoplifter caught red-handed stealing $600 in merchandise. So let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
On July 16th, 2025, officers responded to a JCPenney for a shoplifting complaint.
And the rest is hers, right?
That's a lot, man.
I did.
Hello, I'm Officer of the City Prairie Police. You have ID on you or anything?
No, just my phone.
Just your phone? Okay, what's your first name?
That is the other girl.
How do you spell your first name? Okay. Alright, do you have anything else on you other than just your cell phone?
No.
Okay, can you stand up for me? We're just going to go out to my car and just talk about what's going on, okay?
Okay. I want to do it.
You're going to be detained now.
Yeah.
For questioning. You want to hold it?
Yeah, if you want to hold it for me.
Man, you know you going to jail.
Can't hurt her.
You
I'm going to double lock
reason
you so they don't
JCPenney
tighten up on you,
going
okay?
out of business.
I'm not trying to catch your hair or anything. Okay.
I'll give it to her.
I didn't even know they still had JCPenney for real.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any questioning if you wish. You decide at any time to exercise these rights to answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I have explained to you?
Yes.
Have these rights in mind? Do you wish to talk to us now?
Yes.
Okay. So tell me what were you doing over here?
Just going. Trying to get these school clothes for them.
Just over here trying to get clothes for kids for school? Okay. Was it your intention to not pay for any of the clothing items?
Air 14 today, which
Okay.
district call am I going to?
Okay. Who was the other girl that you're with?
I don't know what her real name is.
Who is she to you then? I'll ask that. How do you know
I'll
her?
just say associate from Facebook.
An associate from Facebook? Okay. Okay. Do you know her name? You just don't want to tell me?
No, that's where everybody going.
Okay. I mean, do you know what her real name is? You just don't want to tell me?
No, she's just an associate from Facebook.
Okay. How old is she?
I think she's in her teens.
Like she's still in like high school?
Yeah.
Okay. Does she live there in the Lex with you, or where does she live?
I don't know where she is.
You have no
I
idea?
picked her from here.
Was she picked you up? Or?
I got dropped off here.
Okay. So when you guys came here, you guys, it was 100% intention to just take clothes and walk out with them, not pay for them? Okay. Okay. Have you ever been in trouble for retail theft before? Have you ever stolen before? Okay. Well, why would you do it now?
Well, she's stolen before. It's just that she's never been caught.
Huh?
Trying to earn some quick money.
Okay. What were you going to do with the clothes?
So,
You're going to sell them? Okay. How are you going to sell them? Just out of curiosity, like on like Facebook Marketplace, or how are you going to do it? Facebook? Okay. Alrighty. So you didn't come here to get clothes for your kids, you just came here to get clothes to sell so you can make some money? Okay. Okay. I assume you're probably not working or anything? No job or nothing? Or are you working? Where do you work at? Oh, where at? I'm sorry? The district? Okay. Okay. Do you think they're going to be happy hearing about this? Okay. Alrighty. Well, I appreciate you being honest with me. It goes a long way. I got to wait for them to tell me how much the total is. Sounds like it's going to be a felony amount, which is over $300, unfortunately. So, unfortunately, it sounds like you just caught your first felony. Okay, and that's going to really dampen any chance of getting a good job. Okay, so just take this as a learning experience. And your honesty and whatnot going forward on with the state's attorney and all that stuff and prosecution, it's going to go a long way in your favor, I promise you. Okay. So, like I said, you're being charged with retail theft. I don't know if it's going to be a felony or a misdemeanor. I got to wait for them to tell me how much it is. It sounds like it's most likely going to be, but like I said, I got to check with them, okay?
gonna get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm gonna help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
Check with them, okay? And you've never been arrested at all, like for anything? Is this your first time at all being arrested? Okay.
Right now, you got a problem using and taking clothes.
All right, Clayja, so it's like over $600 worth of items, the clothing items that you took, specifically you. So it is a felony. Okay, so you're gonna be going out to the Peoria County Jail for tonight, okay? So the I can tell you the total right now of yours. Yours before tax is $646. The clothes here aren't cheap, I can tell you that. It doesn't take much to rack up.
I know that.
So. What's the case number?
13616.
Said 13616. Okay.
The young woman was charged with felony retail theft and trespassed from the property. Thanks for watching our content.
Damn. Ruining your life over some clothes. Hopefully she could get it dropped down or whatever, but I mean, you pretty much caught red-handed, you know, so I don't know how much you can do, you know. I rate these officers, I give them a 3. They did pretty good. You know, it's a pretty short, sweet video. You know, how well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section. And I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.